Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing Penhaligon's Cairo for you. I have been eyeing this fragrance for the absolute longest time. I've been trying to search for a good deal. Finally got it on a fragrant group, brand new, box in sealed. Yeah, I don't usually like Penhaligon scents, but this one is something I've been looking forward to. Here's a look at the box. I've still got it wrapped in cellophane. As you can see, the Penhaligon's literature on top, established 1870 in London, Cairo eau de parfum concentration, 100 mils. It's obviously part of the trade routes collection, which I'll give you a better look. Bring it up, see if that focuses. Yep, there you go. You have a bit of stuff on the side, the address of Penhaligon's themselves. If you go around the box, nothing on the back. You have this like gold little trimming around the sides. Up the top, you obviously have a little bit more. I'll obviously unwrap it and show you the top. And on the bottom, you have your ingredient information. So let's pop into this bad boy. Oh well, it doesn't matter anymore. There. Pick it up from the base. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. This is what's written up the top. You can just pause it if you want to read. I know what you're all here for. So let's do the big reveal. That is Penhaligon's Cairo. There you go, there's the bottle. I'll give you a look up close. It's got Penhaligon's at the back. Bit of information down the bottom. Here's the top. Cap firmly into place. I really like the presentation of this. First spray, Penhaligon's Cairo. Let's do this on the hand. Okay, let it dry out. Oh my god, this is so amazing. You instantly get the rose. To me, this smells like lychee. To me, Cairo smells exactly like the fruit lychee. I definitely get that. I definitely get the rose. I definitely get oud rose combo that people talk about, though I don't think there's any oud in here. But I mean, it's just so good, and it's so different. That's the unboxing for Cairo. First impression, 10 out of 10 scent.